How to set Pride Harmony Wallpaper on iPhone in iOS 18.5. So to do so, let's get started. First of all, ensure you are running the iOS 18.5 on your iPhone. Once done so, all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and look for the wallpaper option available there, and all you have to do is simply tap on the wallpaper. Once you tap on the wallpaper option available, you'll get to see add new wallpaper on your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on it and you'll be navigated with the list of wallpapers in your iOS 18.5. From there, look for the Pride option available. Once you tap on the Pride, you will get to see various options available in there. Choose one according to your preferences. Now here I'm simply tapping on the last one. You can choose any one. Then once you tap on it, you can also tap on the save or done option available at the top right corner of your screen and set it as your new wallpaper. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.